Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing the hideouts and training grounds used by ninjas to carry out their special missions. Ninjas carefully selected and ingeniously crafted their hideouts and training grounds. In this video, you will explore how ninjas chose their hideouts, the places where they trained, and the ingenious use of terrain and building features. Let's embark on a journey into the secret world of ninjas. Section 1. How ninjas chose their hideouts. Hideouts were extremely important for ninjas. They carefully selected hideouts to avoid detection by enemies. And there were several criteria for choosing these locations. Criteria for choosing hideouts. Inconspicuous locations. Hideouts needed to blend into the surrounding landscape. Caves in the mountains, deep forests, and thick underbrush were preferred because they provided natural camouflage. When using buildings, they were often disguised as ordinary farmhouses or warehouses. To avoid drawing attention. Escape routes. It was crucial for hideouts to have multiple escape routes to ensure quick getaway in case of an emergency. For example, hidden tunnels, back doors, and emergency exits were incorporated into the design. This allowed ninjas to quickly evacuate if cornered by enemies. Water supply. To ensure long-term concealment, it was important for the hideout to be near a water source. Having access to drinking water and food supplies increased the functionality of the hideout. Communication means, if communication was necessary, the hideout needed to be in a location where messages could be exchanged. This included places accessible to trusted messengers or locations where signals could be sent using fire or smoke. Utilizing natural environments for hideouts. Mountain caves. Caves in the mountains provided ideal natural camouflage. By hiding deep within a cave, ninjas reduced the risk of being discovered. The stable temperature and humidity inside. Caves made them suitable for long-term hiding. Hidden spots in forests. Forests, with their abundance of trees and underbrush, provided excellent hiding places. Ninjas could hide in the shadows of trees or dig holes in the ground to conceal themselves. Additionally, forests absorb sound well, making footsteps and voices less likely to be heard from a distance, making them ideal hiding places for ninjas. Ninjas selected their hideouts based on these criteria, ensuring they had safe places to stay and prepare for their next missions. Section 2. Ninja Training Grounds. Ninja training grounds were vital locations where they honed their special skills and abilities. These training grounds were designed with various features to ensure ninjas could train safely and enhance their skills. Features of training grounds. Isolated locations. Training grounds were often situated in isolated places, separated from the outside world. This prevented external interference and enemy attacks. Remote mountain areas and deep forests, difficult to access, were chosen as training grounds. Measures to maintain secrecy. Since ninja training was classified information, training grounds were designed to maintain secrecy. For example, entrances to training grounds were hidden or disguised, and the locations themselves were strictly controlled within ninja communities. Diverse terrain. Training grounds incorporated various types of terrain. This allowed ninjas to train in environments similar to real missions. Steep slopes, rocky areas, forests, and rivers were part of the training grounds, where ninjas practiced using these terrains. Training content. Physical training. Ninjas required high physical capabilities, so they underwent training to improve endurance, strength, and flexibility. Long-distance running, climbing, training, and obstacle courses were part of their regimen. Martial arts training. Ninjas trained in various martial arts to master different weapons. Swordsmanship, stick fighting, shuriken, and blowgun training were included. These trainings were essential for improving combat skills. Swordsmanship training involved learning precise strikes and defense techniques, while stick fighting developed the strength and skill to defeat enemies. Shuriken and blowgun training focused on accurate throwing and shooting techniques. Mental training. Ninjas needed to stay calm and make accurate decisions during missions, so mental training was also conducted. Meditation and breathing techniques helped strengthen the mind, enabling ninjas to remain calm in difficult situations. Meditation in quiet places calmed the mind, while breathing techniques enhanced concentration. Training also included enduring long periods of waiting and isolation. To build mental strength, ninja training grounds were designed to maximize their abilities, with balanced physical, mental, and technical training. Section 3. Ingenious use of terrain. Ninja hideouts and training grounds were skillfully crafted. Using natural terrain. Utilizing the terrain made these locations safer and more effective. In this section, we'll explore how ninjas ingeniously used terrain to create their hideouts and training grounds. Utilizing terrain. High ground. Setting hideouts on mountainsides or near the summit allowed ninjas to detect enemy approaches early. High ground provided a clear view, making it easier to monitor surroundings, and offered defensive advantages. Steep slopes and cliffs also made it difficult for enemies to approach. Caves. Natural caves were ideal hideouts for ninjas. Caves provided natural camouflage, making them hard to spot from the outside. The stable temperature and humidity inside made caves suitable for long-term hiding. Hiding deep within a cave reduced the risk of detection. Forests. Forests, with their abundance of trees and underbrush, provided excellent hiding places. Ninjas created hideouts in forests, concealing themselves in the shadows of trees or digging holes in the ground. Forests absorb sound well, making footsteps and voices less likely to be heard, making them ideal hiding places. Terrain features in training grounds. Obstacle courses. Training grounds included obstacle courses utilizing natural terrain. This allowed ninjas to train in environments similar to real missions. Climbing steep slopes, scaling rocky areas, and crossing rivers helped improve physical abilities and techniques. Hiding spots. Training grounds had many hiding spots such as trees, underbrush, and rock shadows. This allowed ninjas to practice stealth techniques. Training included moving undetected and enduring long periods of hiding to build patience. Water training. Water areas were used for water training. Ninjas practiced underwater movement, enhancing their skills for water-based escape and infiltration. By skillfully using natural terrain, ninjas made their hideouts and training grounds more effective. Ingenious use of terrain played a crucial role in ninja activities. Section 4. Ingenious building features. Buildings used as ninja hideouts and training grounds were specially designed with ingenious features. These features ensured that ninjas remained undetected and safe. In this section, I will delve into the ingenious building features used by ninjas. Characteristics of ninja residences. Hidden passages and secret rooms. Ninja residences had hidden passages and secret rooms. These allowed ninjas to hide or escape quickly if enemies invaded the residence. Hidden passages were built within walls or under floors, and secret rooms were concealed behind furniture or under the floor. Disguise. Ninja residences were often disguised as ordinary houses or farmhouses. This deception tricked enemies and prevented the building from standing out. The exterior appeared like a regular building, while the interior was equipped with facilities necessary for ninja training and living. Defensive features. Ninja residences also had defensive features. For example, traps and pitfalls were set up around the residence to prevent easy enemy intrusion. Additionally, windows and doors were reinforced with sturdy bars to prevent break-ins. Ingenious building features. Hidden stairs and doors. Ninja residences had many hidden stairs and doors. These allowed free movement within the residence and tricked enemies. Hidden stairs were concealed behind bookshelves or folding screens, and hidden doors were cleverly built into walls. Traps and mechanisms. The interiors of residences were equipped with traps and mechanisms. These confused or captured enemies upon intrusion. For example, traps set under floorboards or falling pits from the ceiling were used. Hidden storage. Ninjas stored necessary tools and weapons in hidden storage. This allowed them to retrieve items quickly without being seen by enemies. Design for defense. Watchtowers. Ninja residences had watchtowers. These allowed constant monitoring of the surroundings, enabling early detection of enemy approaches. Watchtowers were placed in high positions in the residence, providing a clear view. Shelters. High walls or hedges surrounded the residence to prevent the interior from being seen from the outside. This prevented ninja activities from being exposed. The layout of corridors and rooms within the residence was also designed to block external views. Alarm systems. Ninja residences had alarm systems to notify of enemy intrusion. For example, bells attached to doors and windows, or gravel on the floor that made noise alerted residents to intruders. These features allowed ninjas to operate efficiently without being detected by enemies. Today, you explored the hideouts and training grounds of ninjas. By skillfully utilizing natural terrain and incorporating special building features, ninjas supported their stealthy activities. In the next video, I'll delve into the philosophy and strategy of ninjutsu. So please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.